Hi, this is Eileen with Cisco Tech. Today, I will show you how to configure TLS settings on the Web Security Appliance. Please be aware of the following information. Log into the web interface. Go to System Administration tab and click on SSL Configuration. Click on Edit Settings. Here you will see different services where you can edit TLS. Modify the settings depending on your business requirements. After performing the necessary changes, don't forget to submit. Before committing changes, the modified services will restart and will be unavailable for a couple of seconds. Click on Commit. Wait a couple of seconds and log in again to your appliance. TLS settings can also be modified through the command line with SSL config command. Type versions, followed by the option number of the service you would like to modify. Select the option number for the TLS version you want to change. Hit Enter and select the desired option. Perform the necessary changes, and once you are done, type Commit to save the new TLS settings. Remember that services will restart. Thank you for watching.